So let us start with the phonics. Okay. So as you all know, this is the letter A. Which letter is this? A. Yes. So this A has its sound. This A has its sound. For example, you should see the picture is apple. Which picture is this? Apple. I don't say it as apple. Do you say it as apple? No, right? We will say it as apple. So A sounds as A. What does the A sounds? What does the A sounds? Okay. Now, this is the letter B. Okay. This is the letter B. I will sound the B as B. I will sound the B as B. I will sound the B as B. B. Ball. Yes. Now, this is the letter C. Which letter is this? C. C. Then what does the C say? C says K. What does the C say? What does the C say? K. Very good. Now, this is the letter D. Which letter is this? D. What does the D say? D says dog. What does the D say? Dog. Very good. Now, letter E. Name of the letter is E. Name of the letter is E. Sound of the letter is A. Sound of the letter is A. Sound of the letter is A. Elephant. Very good. Letter Y. Name of the letter is Y. What is the sound of the letter? The sound of the letter is F. What is the sound of the letter? F. Fish. Fish. Letter G. Name of the letter is G. But sound of the letter is G. Sound of the letter is G. Goat. Letter H. Name of the letter is H. The sound of the H is. What is the sound of the letter H? What is the sound of the letter H? Horse. Very good. Now we have ice cream. I for ice cream. See, until here, from A to H, we got name of the letter and sound of the letter. They provided name of the letter also, sound of the letter also. But what about the sound of the I? Do we have sound of the I? I ಗೆ sound ಇದೆಯಾ? ಬೇರೆ letters ಗೆ sounds ಇತ್ತು. I ಗೆ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? It is there. Is there? Then can you say what is the sound of the letter I? E. What is the sound of the letter I? E. So what we will do? We will keep it this as a pending. We will keep it in a doubt. Why there is ice cream? We can give it as a igloo. Yes. So we can say it as I says igloo, ink pot. But here we have directly ice cream, right? So I will clear your doubt after the OS. After the OS. Okay. So you should remember me, ma'am. Why there is ice cream? Okay. I will clear your doubt. Next, letter J. Name of the letter is J. What does the J say? Jug. What does the J say? Jug. Yes, very good. Now, K. Letter K. What does the K says? K says again kite. Yes. Now we have the letter L. What does the L says? L says lion. What does the L say? Very good. Now, yam. So if you eat any tasty food, what do you say to your mama? You say, Mama, yummy. You say, right? You say, Mama, it's yummy. In the same way, yum sounds. What is the yum sounds? Mango. Very good. Now, yen. So when you are angry, you are going to bite your tongue yourself. Like this, right? So, yen says nest. What does the yen say? Nest. Next, letter O. Name of the letter is O. Sound of the letter is pronounce it as pencil. It is letter P. Letter P. So do you pronounce it as pencil? No, right? You pronounce it as pencil. Pencil. So what is the sound of the P? What is the sound of the P? Next, letter Q. Which letter is that? Q. Letter Q. What does the Q says? Q says quack. What does the Q says? Quack. 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 Quill. Quack. 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 Queen. Quack. Quack. Queen. Next, R. Which letter is this? R. Which letter is this? R. R sounds as robot. Robot. Next, we have the letter. Yes. So in your class, every time your teachers will be saying, students be quiet. Don't make noise. Don't make noise. Then the S sounds as. Then the S sounds as. Sofa. Sofa. Very good. Next. T. Letter T. So T says tree. T says tree. Very good. Now U. U. What does the U say? What does the U say? Umbrella. Very good. Next. See, in both V and W we have some changes. See. Observe the movement of my mouth. V says, but W says walk. W says walk. V says W says walk. Violin. Violin. W says walk. Walk. Watermelon. Walk. Walk. Watermelon. Yes. Now X. X says xylophone. Very good. Now, Y. Which letter is this? Y. Y says yak. Yak. What does the Y say? Yak. Very good. Last we are left with Z. Letter Z. Have you seen the buzzing bee? How does it buzz? Correct? Yes. Z says zebra. So now you know the phonics from A to Z. Okay. So yes. So now let us see the phonics video. Okay. Are you ready? Yes, ma'am.
Capital A, small a. A says A. A says The letter B. Capital B, small b. B says b. B says b. B for bear. B for b. B for balloon. B for banana. The letter C. Capital C, small c. C says C says for cat. For cat. For cat. For pig.
Now say the sound of the letter B. Letter B. Say what is the we have vowels. So, first, from A to Z, the letters in the English alphabet are 26. How many letters are there?
26.
Okay. So, for example, if I take a grade 2, you have a total strength of 21. Right? You have a total strength of 21. In that, I will divide 10 as girls, 11 as boys. Okay? In the same way, A to Z is divided into two groups. One is consonant, another one is vowels. One is consonants and another one is vowels. Now, what is this consonant and vowels? Means the consonants take the support of the other letter. For example, B. Pronounce B. B. What is the last sound you are hearing?
E.
What is the last sound you are hearing?
E.
In the B itself, you are getting the sound E. Right? What about the C?
E.
C. Are you getting the other sound E?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? But now pronounce A. E. I. O. U. Does this five letters taking the other letter help?
No, ma'am.
Does it taking the other letters help?
No,
Or is it pronouncing any other letter sound? No, right? No, right? So they are called as vowel. They are directly through the throat. Okay, say A, E, I, O, U. From A to Z we have 26 letters that is divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. How many vowels do we have? There are 5 vowels. What about consonants? There are 21 consonants. So 21 plus 5 is 26. Okay. So that is vowels. Now did you get an idea about vowels? Did you get an idea about vowels? In the consonant it will take the help of the other letter, but the vowel is independent. Okay.
There are 26 letters in English alphabet. In that, 5 vowels. There are 21 consonants. 5 vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U.